Hello friends, welcome to Circuit and Code Academy. Today's our first requirement is for Zenser. Role for this position. They are looking for entry level or trained or certified professionals. Skill required for this job is network security, DBA, Oracle, SQL, Service Desk, Linux and Windows and VMware. They also require scripting knowledge like PowerShell and Python. Experience required for this position is 0 to 2 years. So fresher can also apply for this position. Work location, work from anywhere, pan India. This job is for all over India. So essential skill required for this position is database. In database they require MySQL, Oracle and VMware and cloud, Linux, networking, Windows. Eligibility criteria for this position is BE Tech in Computer Science Information Technology. Year of passing should be 2019 to 2020. An applicant must have scored minimum 60% throughout their academics. Candidates should have valid certificate at the time of appearing for online assessment. So package for this position is approximately 2.5 lakhs per annum. For more details I will provide link in the description. Next requirement is for Antsogolov Technology, Navi Mumbai. Position is for software developer trained. So skill required for this position is basic understanding of C, C++, Java, basic understanding of HTML and CSS, good communication skill both written and oral, good data visualization and analytical skill, excellent work ethics, self-motivated towards learning new technology. Qualification required for this position is diploma holder or bachelor degree in computer science. Responsibilities and duties for this position: learn hybrid mobile app development technology using project, develop, test and maintain various features of application, learn and implement projects version control. This position is for the mobile app development. Location is Navi Mumbai, Nagpur, Ahmedabad and Delhi. So for more details you can visit their website and send your resume to jobs@antsglobe.com or hr@antsglobe.in. Next requirement is for software trainee engineer. Company name is Kashini Technology Consulting, Pune. Experience required for this position is fresher. They are looking for BE Tech graduate with a background in computer science and IT. Good verbal and written English is must. For more details you can visit their website or you can apply through their email ID support@kashinitech.com. Next requirement is for software developer. Company name is Semantic Software, Pune. Job opening require basic software development using Visual Basics, VBA, Excel. The candidates will also need client handling, queries and technical support. The most important skill they are looking in quantitative aptitude and reasoning. Candidate who have reasoning and logic skill will be most suitable. Experience required for this position is fresher. Education required is bachelor degree in any branch. So those who are interested they can apply their website or you can send your resume on contact@semantic.co.in. Next requirement is for junior processor. Experience required for this position is 0 to 1 years. They require a huge number of openings, almost 25 numbers of opening required. Company name is Versatile Premedia, Kharadi, Pune. skill required for this position is basic knowledge of HTML and CSS, good communication skill. Experience required for this position is fresher. You can send your resume to hr@versatilepremedia.com. So please note down this email ID. And next requirement is for technical support engineer. Only male candidates can apply for this position. Company name is Define Labs, Paner, Pune. Experience required for this position is 0 to 1 year. Skill required: handling customer issues and resolve them within specified time, support application, research and identify solution to software and hardware issue, provide, promote and accurate feedback to the end user. Desired profile: experience in handling remote support application, excellent communication skill, male candidates are preferred, hands-on experience with Windows, Linux, Mac OS environment. Qualification required for this position is BE Tech diploma in CSIT, should have cleared 10th and 12th in first appearance. So for more details you can visit their website Define Labs. You can see there are 4 number of openings. First opening is for technical support engineer. Those who are interested in technical support engineer, they can apply for this position. Those who are looking for software testing support engineer, they can apply for this position. There are another 2 opening: Android application developer and UI UX designer. So you can refer their website. Next requirement for electronic service engineer. Company name is Whiteleon System Private Limited. Experience required for this position is fresher. Only male candidates can apply for this position. Job information: servicing, repairing and maintenance of the equipment, make reports regarding repair work. So job timing is Monday to Saturday. So for interview you can visit their website or below address. So for latest job update, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.